The nickname FRED stands for fucking ridiculous economic or environmental disaster. While the modern C-5M supergalaxy has significantly improved reliability, the nickname was birthed during the Cold War era of the C-5A and C-5B, which were notorious for being maintenance nightmares and financial sinks. Here is a detailed breakdown of why the aircraft earned this reputation. 1. The economic disaster. Cost overruns. The C-5 program was the first in aviation history to have a $1 billion cost overrun. During its development in the 1960s, Lockheed struggled with massive technical hurdles, leading to a final price tag nearly double the original estimate. This led to a major congressional scandal, cementing the plane's reputation as a fiscal black hole before it even saw significant combat service. The wing crack scandal. The most notorious reliability issue involved the C-5A's wings. Due to a design flaw intended to save weight, the wings were not strong enough to handle the stresses of a full load. Cracks began appearing in the wings of almost the entire fleet shortly after delivery. To prevent the wings from snapping off mid-flight, the Air Force had to impose strictly reduced cargo limits, meaning the world's largest plane often couldn't carry its intended payload. In the 1980s, the government had to spend billions more to completely replace the wings on 77 aircraft. 3. Maintenance intensive, the hangar queen. The C-5 earned a reputation as a hangar queen because for every hour it spent in the air, it required dozens of hours of maintenance on the ground. The kneeling system. To allow for easier loading, the C-5's landing gear can kneel to bring the cargo floor closer to the ground. This complex hydraulic system was prone to breaking, often leaving the plane stuck in a kneeling position on the tarmac. Avionics and hydraulics. The early models were packed with thousands of feet of wiring and complex hydraulic lines that were notoriously sensitive. It was common for a C-5 to land at a remote base and become broken for days or weeks while waiting for specialized parts or technicians. Low mission-capable rates. For decades, the C-5 fleet had one of the lowest mission-capable rates in the U.S. Air Force, often hovering around 50% to 60%. This meant that on any given day, nearly half the fleet was grounded for repairs. Commanders often joked that if you needed to move cargo urgently, you should send 2 C-5s, one to carry the cargo and one to follow behind and pick it up when the first one broke down. Fuel consumption. The environmental part of the FRED acronym refers to the massive amount of fuel the 4 TF-39 engines consumed. The aircraft was a gas guzzler of the highest order, and the sound of the engines, a distinctive, high-pitched C-5 whine, was often described by ground crews as the sound of money being burned. The turnaround in the C-5M supergalaxy. It is worth noting that the C-5M supergalaxy, the current version, was a massive effort to kill the FRED reputation. Through the Reliability Enhancement and Re-engining Program, RERP, new GE CF6 engines were installed, providing 22% more thrust and 20% better fuel efficiency. Over 70 structural and system improvements were made. The mission-capable rate climbed significantly, and the aircraft became much quieter and more reliable. Despite these massive improvements, the FRED nickname remains a permanent part of Air Force lore, passed down by generations of maintainers who spent their careers struggling to keep the giant in the air.